Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Cronos at number 1, followed by OKB, Filecoin, Stacks, Atom, Mantle, TAO, HBAR, and then we end it with VeChain at number 40. Let's get straight into it. Cronos against BTC. Here we are for Cronos. Cronos is on a downwards trend. Again, as long as we are under the skinny pink line, we remain with our bearish bias for Cronos. BTC against USD. Cronos is again under the skinny pink line. So the moment you go under the skinny pink line, that's it. We will assume that the Cronos is already in a bearish trend until we break back up. Okay, let me give you an example. If you look back in the past, you will see that Cronos had a fall under the skinny pink line over here, right? But eventually we broke back up for a super run. So at this moment, there's no confirmation yet. This was an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, reversal. Okay, for Cronos against USD, what reversal? There's no reversal. There's nothing yet. I mean, of course, sure, you know, after the next few weeks, months maybe, we might get an inverse head and shoulders. But as it stands, I don't see it. And if you were to cut through, right, this looks like a head and shoulders. So yeah, Cronos is not really looking that good. So I would preach patience. From a bullish perspective, sure, and you can consider this as already, you know, 5 waves down, and we could be going back up. Sure, of course, the same thing happened over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. We come back up, but we still need to see some bullish signs first. No bullish signs yet. So yeah, we're gonna be patient, and we're gonna wait for things to move around a little bit for Cronos first. Next will be Filecoin against BTC. Here we are for Filecoin. Filecoin is again under the skinny pink line. No clear signs of a bullish reversal. Okay, there is a triple bullish divergence over here on Filecoin against BTC. Lower low, lower low, just marginally, which means potentially there could be a powerful reversal coming back up for Filecoin against BTC. Again, we're still not sure. You can find a lot of triple bullish divergences in many other charts, and you know, nothing much happens. But as it stands, yes, okay, good example will be here. If we ignore this week, right, lower low, lower low, triple bullish divergence, bam, could be reverse. Okay, it doesn't come immediately. We might go sideways for a little bit before heading back up, right? So by the time we spot it, right, let's say the third low, this would have taken, okay, wait, before we broke out. Yeah, about 287 days. Yeah, so as it stands, again, we're not too sure. We are not too sure, right? Filecoin BTC is severely oversold. Severely oversold. Anyway, for Filecoin against USD, yeah, it's both. Okay, if you look over here, you can see mountains. At the same time, this is a head and shoulders. Oh, it's super bearish. Uber bearish. And we're under the skinny pink line. Right. We have a target over here at $2. There were 2 targets. We hit target number 1. This is target number 2. Any guarantees we're going to hit under $2? No guarantees. Could we start a reversal from here? Yes. Yes, we could. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Could we have another zip first before reversing? Sure. But as it stands, yeah, there's just not much clarity for Filecoin at this moment. So as it stands, we're still loyal to our $2 target. We're still under the skinny pink line. So as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias for Filecoin. Stacks against BTC. Here we are for Stacks. Stacks against BTC is under the skinny pink line. So this means that we're already in a bearish trend. But Stacks has a knack of, you know, doing things like this. Down, sideways for a little bit. Bam! Blast off. Down. Yes. Could this be coming? We're not too sure. Against USD, Stacks is under the skinny pink line. Very strong sell down. Right. Every time when you cross the skinny pink line, the assumption is that we will get a get out rally. So I will assume that this will be, you know, a place where we would have gotten out. Right. If you are in Stacks in any, you know, if you got in here or in anywhere here, right, this get out rally is where you get out. Because you do not know how much lower things are going to go. You don't know whether if things are going to be like this, right? Zip down, come back up, or if things are going to be like this, right? You cross and you continue lower, right? Sure, there could be a rally, but we could be continuing lower just like this as well. So yeah, as it stands, Stacks doesn't really look that good. Atom against BTC. Here we are for Atom. Atom continues to drop lower. No signs of life at all for Atom BTC. Against USD, Atom is heading towards our 340 target. We're still expecting 340 to be hit. We dropped to the very low of $4. So I suspect we're gonna clear $4 eventually. Probably clear these clusters of cells here. So yeah, because there was a mountain range over here. Big twin mountains. Bam! Then it zipped lower. So yeah, could we start a reversal, bullish reversal from here? Sure, of course. But as it stands, Tom doesn't really look that good to me. So yeah, we'll preach caution. Mantle against BTC. We look at it on Bybit. Okay, Mantle is under the skinny pink line. So the trend is bearish. The bias is bearish as well. Mantle against USD. Mantle has hit targets. Ta-da! We had a target over here at 52 cents since the 12th of July, and it's already hit. Because we saw this descending triangle. So we were like, I think we're breaking down. Bam! We did break down. We crossed the skinny pink line again. Every time we cross the skinny pink line, usually not every time. Usually there will be a get out rally, and this is where you get out. Excuse me. Just in case if you have any positions where you got in here or anywhere here, right? This is where you get out, right? So if you had gotten out, you would have saved the pain of a 47% drop, right? So yeah, this is great. So we're out of downside targets for Mantle. Could Mantle be gearing up for a reversal, bullish reversal? We are not too sure. We still don't see any signs of bullishness yet for Mantle. So as it stands, we're gonna have to proceed with caution. We are optimistic, but cautiously optimistic. We're hopeful though that we could see some sort of a bullish reversal, but as it stands, nope. We've just freshly hit the downside targets. Ta-da! TAO Bittensor against BTC. Here we are for TAO. TAO is again triple bullish divergence. Could this be the start of a reversal? Could we maybe get an inverse head and shoulders over here? Left shoulder here. Get a head, right shoulder. Bam! Super reversal. Yes, no? Not too sure. Mantle against, TAO against USD. Maxi. Let's go. So for TAO, okay, we're already under the skinny pink line. Again, whenever you cross the skinny pink line, right, it means bear trend is on. So every time you get a rally, yeah, this is where you get out. Get out right at the skinny pink line, acting as resistance. So TAO is already in a bearish trend. The thing about TAO is that we're already down 79%, right? Of course, no guarantees. We could still drop all the way down another 79%. But I don't see the chart pattern for it. Okay, I do actually. This whole thing could be a head and shoulders. Right. Ignoring the wick. But as it stands, yeah, we're not entirely sure. If we do something like this, right? Woohoo, we're going much, much lower. Right. But at the same time, if TAO does something like this, inverse head and shoulders, we're going back up. Oh! But again, we're not too sure, not much information for us to work with. So we're just going to be patient and we're going to let the TAO wheels do their thing. HBAR against BTC. Hedera is in a downward trend against BTC. Right, we saw this head and shoulders. We were saying we will take out these lows. Eventually, we took out the lows. After we took out the lows, super rally, but we failed to sustain it above the skinny pink line. It's a second super rally. And down we go. Severely oversold? Yes. Have we taken out these lows? Yes, we've also taken out these lows. So there is a new all-time low for HBAR BTC. No signs of a bullish reversal yet. HBAR against USD is also down. Very bearish. We still have our 3 cents target, which we acquired way back on the 11th of July 2024. So more downside is to be expected for Hedera. Any signs of life? No. There's none. Right. I suspect we might be sweeping these lows as well. Everything here before a reversal. I suspect. So as it stands, yeah, we're not entirely sure. Alright, we might get another big bearish continuation and head lower. Of course, we could also reverse, but as it stands, you know, you can pull a trend line across. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is a potential head and shoulders in the making. We could be heading lower for Hedera hedge graph, so stay safe. Stay safe, boys and girls. VeChain! What's up, Sunny? Sunny Lou. VeChain is down against the skinny pink line. As long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias. VeChain against USD, we are okay under the skinny pink line as well. Again, always remember, the moment you cross the skinny pink line, trend's turning bearish. You will be blessed more likely than not with a get out rally. This is where you get out. Bam! We sold, how many percent was it? 40? Yeah, 44%. Any more lows for VeChain? We're not too sure. We don't have any downside targets, and neither do we have any bullish reversal targets. Is there any way where VeChain could start switching bullish? Yeah. Maybe. Again, not too sure. Maybe we might do something like this. A, B, C, D, E. Boom! We break out. Right. But this will be several months in the making. It might only be next year, next cycle, before we see VeChain starts breaking out. So things are just very bearish at the moment. We're not too sure if this is the lows before a potential reversal back up. So stay safe and don't rush into anything that I wouldn't. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. All right. Hope you guys have a great day ahead of you. See you in the next one. Ta-da!